Hi guys, welcome back to Explorer Alicia, and today we will explore the biography of Sir M. Visvesvaraya. Sir Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya, who is often referred by his initial MV, was India's first civil engineer, statesman, and the 19th Diwan of Mysore, who served the position from 1912 to 1918. The birth anniversary of Mokshagundam on September 15 is celebrated as Engineers Day in India to honor and acknowledge his work for the development of the country. Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya was the chief engineer of Krishna Raja Sagar Dam in the northwest suburb of Mysuru city, and also worked as the chief engineer of the flood protection system for Hyderabad. Childhood and early life. Visvesvaraya was born into a Telugu Brahmin family in a village near Bangalore, India. His father was a prominent Sanskrit scholar of his times. Even though the family was not rich, his parents wanted their son to get good education. He completed his primary education from his village school and went to high school in Bangalore. His father died when he was just 15 and the family was plunged into poverty. In order to continue his education, Visvesvaraya started giving tuitions to small children and earned his livelihood this way. He joined the Central College in Bangalore and studied hard. He was a good student in spite of all the hardship in his life and completed his Bachelor of Arts in 1881. He went to the prestigious College of Engineering at Pune after he managed to get some help from the government. Career. After his graduation in 1884, he found a job with the Public Works Department (PWD) of Mumbai and joined as an assistant engineer. Over the course of this job, he served in Nasik, Khandesh, and Pune. He then joined the Indian Irrigation Commission and helped to implement a complex system of irrigation in the Deccan area. During this time, he was told to devise a method of supplying water from the river Sindhu to a small town called Sukkur. He designed and carried out the waterworks for the municipality of Sukkur in 1895. He is credited with the development of the block system, which would prevent the wasteful flow of the water in dams. He helped in founding of the Government Engineering College at Bangalore in 1917, which was later renamed as the Visvesvaraya College of Engineering in his honor. Major works. He is the best remembered for the initial role he played in the construction of the Krishna Raja Sagar Lake and Dam in 1924. This dam not only became the main source of water for irrigation for the nearby areas but was also the main source of drinking water for several cities. Awards and achievements. Visvesvaraya was knighted as the Commander of the Order of the Indian Empire by the British for his contributions to the society in 1915. He was awarded with Independent India's greatest honor, the Bharat Ratna, in 1955 for his work in the fields of engineering and education. He is the recipient of several honorary doctoral degrees from 8 universities in India. Personal life and legacy. This great Indian engineer lived a long and productive life and died on 14th April 1962 at the old age of 102 years. His alma mater, the College of Engineering Pune, erected a statue in his honor. The Visvesvaraya Industrial and Technological Museum, Bangalore, is named in his honor. Other details I shared in my description box. Keep subscribing guys, and thanks for watching.